Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwakon Atta. I'm here to go through with you the steps involved in using Geogebra to prove the circle theorems. When you talk about Geogebra, it is a software for solving most mathematics problems. So for Geogebra, you can use it to solve graph works, circles, polygons, and many more. But our concentration for today will be on the circle theorem. So in this case, when you open the Geogebra, this will be your interface. For circle theorems and for Geogebra, we have some tools that will make it easy for you to use. And those tools are here. Since we are going to talk about the circle theorems, we don't need these others. So I'm going to take them off. So I'll come to this arrow, then click here to take our others off. Then I come to circles. We can see there is a small arrow here. I click on it and a pop-up turns up. I'm going to select a circle with center and radius. So let's click on it. Great. Then we draw our circle. But they are requesting of a radius. So we have to input our radius. So let's say 4 centimeters. So we click on OK to give us a circle with radius of 4 centimeters. I don't like where the circle is, so I'm going to click on this arrow, that is the Move Graphic View, to drag our circle to the place we want it to be. Then I click over here, that is where I can get my line segment. So there is a small arrow here too, a drop down arrow. I'll click on it, then I select segment between 2 points. So let's click on it. Then stand at one point of the circumference of a circle and draw a chord to join another point. I now stand on, we have the labelings here, that is point B and point C, with our center as A. We now stand on point B and draw a line segment to meet point A. We also stand again on point A, click on it, and draw our line segment to meet point C. We need another point at any point on the circumference of the circle. So we extend this chord from point B to this place, that is point D. We stand on point D, click on it, and draw our line segment to meet point C. Let's now measure the angles at point A, that is angle BAC. So I'm going to choose my angle. There's a small arrow here. Click on it to select your angle. Great. So I'm going to find the angle B, A, and C. And this is what is giving me 103.15 degrees. I don't need a decimal. So let's come to options and select rounding. Then let's round our figure to 0 decimal places. So our decimals are no longer there. Let's measure the angle at point D. That is angle B, D, and C. Since our angle 2 is still highlighted, it means that it is still active. Always ensure that your tool is active. the one that you want. So I'll stand on point B, D, and C and draw my angle. So we can observe that angle BAC is giving me 103 degrees. And we can also observe that angle BDC is also giving me 52 degrees. So mathematically, you can see that the line or the angle a chord subtends at the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference of the circle, because this is twice of this. That is our first theorem. This brings us to the end of our lesson. Our next lesson will be on proving the second theorem. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and I believe this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for your mathematics tutorials. Till we meet again, please stay safe and let hard. Bye.